Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we'll attempt to make some sliders here. Now I've heard people say they like to use these King Hawaiian rolls, and so I got a pack of these King Hawaiians to make my sliders out of. But then in the meantime I was in the store this morning getting me a fresh pack of ground sirloin here, and I run across these little slider rolls from PEPPERIDGE Farm. So I'm going to try them both and see how they do. And of course I've got me a red onion here. Kay was so nice to chop up for me yesterday, I think it was, last night. And so anyway, oh, and I've got this little press here. We'll try that. This is the first time I've tried this. Just got that, so we're going to see how this works. So let's get started with it. Okay, now to start with, I'm just going to use approximately half of this pound, so I'm going to use half a pound here. I'm just going to cut it approximately in half, and put this part back over here on the little package it came in. I hate handling ground beef with my hands. So anyway, now next thing we'll do is take some of these onions here and just spring along, put on top of it. And then we'll just start working them in here. You know you're supposed to, if you go handle this like this with your bare hands, you need to wash your hands at least 4 or 5 times before you get started. Okay, now the recommendations on this little press here, actually it's 2 presses, one. You get a regular size burger and a slider burger press here. So anyway, it says need 2 to 3 ounces on this. And I don't want these to be real big or fat either, so I'm just going to try to make it around 2 ounces. And so let's see how much, and then we'll weigh them out. Ooh, that's too much. Huh. That's too much. Alright, now according to that little scale there, that's 2.2 ounces. I don't know if you can see that or not. See if I can zoom in on a little bit. 2.2 ounces. Alright. So now I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Put it down in here. Make this little press. Down with it like that. Like I said, I don't want these to be too fat, you know. I want to be about the same thickness all the way around though. There you go. I'm going to tell you what, I don't know what it's going to look like when it finishes, but that's a neat looking little burger patty right there. And now for my next trick, I'll go over here and put them right in this Ninja Foodie. Okay, we're going to put it right down in there like that. You didn't think I was going to fix them without using the Ninja Foodie, did you? Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and mix up the rest of this just the same way here and put them right down in there. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now that you probably have already guessed, we got 4 patties out of that 8 ounces of meat. So now we got them down in this crisper basket here, and we're going to shut the lid on the crisper basket and get them going. And now we'll turn on the power. Just leave it on the air crisp, or put it on air crisp, and we'll leave it on 390. And I'm gonna put it for 10 minutes, but I'm gonna be checking these things pretty quick. Because sometimes those patties now are not real thick, so it's not gonna take long in this Ninja Foodie. So then we'll hit the start button. There they go. And while y'all watching that clock count down to 0, how about you give me a thumbs up and join my channel? I sure would appreciate it. Thank you very much for the people watching our videos. In all seriousness, you know, we really appreciate you watching our video. Okay, we just got a couple minutes to go here, and I will show you what we got. So these are really good pickles right here if you like this spicy pickle. And we got some regular sweet relish. And we got some mustard. Now, of course, we've got the 2 PEPPERIDGE Farms rolls here and the 2 King Hawaiian rolls here that we're going to use. So, oh, and we got 2 slices of American cheese, 2 slices of Swiss cheese. And so, we're going to see how that goes in just a couple of minutes now. Okay, now the Ninja Foodie just stopped, and I want y'all to look at those. Those some beautiful little burgers right there, aren't they? Alright, now the next thing we got to do is get them out here. First thing I'm going to do though is put Swiss cheese on it. You got to have some Swiss cheese on them. So I'm just going to lay a little Swiss cheese right there on those. On those. Now I'm just going to put the Swiss cheese on here because it's a little tougher than the American cheese, and so let's just melt just a little bit, and then the American cheese, when I put it on there, it's just going to melt automatically on it. So I'm going to shut the lid and put this on here for about a minute, and I'm going to stop it probably at 30 seconds after it gets started, because I think that Swiss cheese will be about done. Okay, that's been 40 seconds, and you see that cheese is starting to come down the side there, and that's all I wanted, just a little bit like that. So now, let me move the camera. I need a cameraman here. Oops. Hope you don't get seasick very easy. You're going on a cruise, you can't get seasick too easy. Now, I'll take my tongs and bring a couple of these over here. Now, don't that look beautiful right there? Now we'll take this cheese, see how soft this American cheese is. See, now I'll just go lay right on there like that. You know, so. And then we'll take one and put on the PEPPERIDGE Farm roll here. Like that. Put that good old piece of American cheese on it. Now for me, I'm just going to put a little bit of mustard on this, on these 2 rolls here. Alright. And I've got to have one of these pickles. Maybe 2 or 3. Put that on there just like that. I'll tell you what, folks, y'all will have to go a long ways to find one to beat these. You know, I got my mustard all spread on these 2 rolls here. Now that one will go on that one. Now let's try the taste test. I'm glad I get to do the taste test. Because these look good, good. Okay, now this was a great little slider right here. Now I'm going to try this one over here, the PEPPERIDGE Farm roll. And by the way, these are well done. For you people that are brave and like it a little bit less done, which I would have made a little bit less done myself, but that Ninja Foodie gets gone with you if you ain't careful. Cook them a little bit less. When I do this again, not if, when I do these again, because she's going to have to have some tonight, I'm going to do them for 8 minutes instead of 10 minutes on 390. Now these are 2 to 3 ounce burgers now in that press. Okay, now to tell you the truth, there's not a bunch of difference in these two. I mean, if you like King Hawaiian rolls, those are really good, and if you don't, these little slider rolls here, these actually look better, look a little more professional, you know. I want to tell you the truth, these to me are the King Hawaiians are a little bit better, just because it's not as much bread. This is just a little bit too much bread for that little burger, you know. So if you want to make maybe a 4 ounce burger and put on there, that might be enough bread. Not enough bread for you, but the King Hawaiians is that's just about right. And that's just my opinion. Y'all make them yourself and see how you like them. This is a great little recipe in this Ninja Foodie here. And y'all just go have to try these one times because they sure are delicious. And so until next time, hope you enjoyed my little video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And I hope you'll come back and see us real soon. And I hope you have a real good and safe day. And so until next time, goodbye now.